Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. This time let's take a look at how you can close your Kindle book on your iPhone. So I'm gonna go to the Kindle app, which I use to read my Kindle books, of course, like that. And this is the book. Obviously it's just a PDF which I added, but I'm gonna use it for the purposes of this video as an example. So as you are in here, it kind of like you can scroll through the pages and so on, but in order to like leave and close this book, you have to click on it somewhere for the controls to appear at the top and at the bottom. If you click on some specific areas which are something within the page, you can of course hold down on it and click on the highlight, look up, add a note, or copy. But I want you to simply tap like this, right? As you can see, again, the highlight option appears, so make sure you click on some blank area just like that for the controls to appear at the top and at the bottom. And of course, to close the book, click on the top left arrow, which is going to get you back. And these are all of the other books and basically just a couple of examples in here of my library. And of course, you can open up another book and again click on some blank area to make the controls appear and go to the left arrow to close the book. So that's how it works within the Kindle app. Let me know if you also saw the same options. Subscribe for more videos and tutorials like this one, and I'll see you later in the next uploads.